This segment is to introduce our powder putty. It's going to come to you in a jar in a powder form, and we just add water, mix to the desired consistency, and it's available in walnut, mahogany, pine, beech, alder, oak, and then also for prime surfaces, white. Again, comes to you as a powder, and I've already had some mixed up here, but basically what you do is you just take the powder, put in a jar, put in a container of your choice, I guess. We're going to mix that with water. Nice thing about this putty is it can be reconstituted. If you have some putty that maybe the lid was left off the jar and it's dried up, just add a little bit of water to it and let it set overnight, and it should be able to be stirred back up. So I always like to keep dry powder aside from when I mix, just in case I get it a little too runny. Add a little too much water, I can always come back and add just a little bit more powder to thicken it back up and get it to the right consistency. Basically, we have a defect on the panel here, and it's real simple. We use it just like we would any wood filler. Apply the putty, allow it to dry. Should be dry in about 8 to 10 minutes. Temperature and air movement will determine how fast it will dry. Once it's dry, it sands very easy, powders up very easily. It does accept stain, but it may not accept it like the surrounding wood. As I often say, two pieces of wood don't accept stain the same way, so sometimes we have to touch up the areas that we puttied. So the putty, again, if the putty dries out, just add water to it. Freezing of this putty doesn't hurt it. Just add a little bit of water, mix it back up.